Hey guys, welcome back to Main Miata. As you can see, we're in Dubai. I'm going to be showing you some of the cool features of Dubai and definitely the car culture.
So when we went to Dubai, we rented an Airbnb, and this is the view from one of the 3 balconies of the city. We're up on the 86th floor, and it's a long way down. It's a very pretty view from up here, and you can see for a really long ways. This is the marina right below where we were staying. And look at that pink Maserati. It's crazy. On our first day in the city, we took a hop-on, hop-off bus tour around the city. And that building right there is the Burj Al Arab. It's a 5-star hotel and very luxurious. You can't even get to it unless you're staying there. This is just one of the many mosques that you see while you're in Dubai. The tan cars with the red roofs are what taxis look like in Dubai. This is the outside of a museum that tells the history of how Dubai and the United Arab Emirates got started. That building right there is an old fort. That is an example of the Bedouin houses, and that is one of the old fishing boats. After the museum, we hopped on a water taxi and headed over to the old spice souk. This is the spice souk, where obviously they sell a bunch of spices. There are also different kinds of souks. There's a gold souk, and then there's ones that just sells odds and ends. But here in the spice souk, it's basically a market where people sell a bunch of souvenirs and also spices. This is just one of the many streets that is lined with all different kinds of shops that usually specialize in 1 or 2 different types of things. So sometimes it'll just be a shoe store, or sometimes it'll just have fabrics.
Swirl.
According to the Guinness Book of World Records, this is the world's heaviest golden ring. When you visit Dubai, one of the first things you'll notice is just how over the top everything is. Even their tunnels have murals on them that portray the beach. Also, all their roundabouts and along the side of the roads have beautiful flowers all along them. In the distance you will see the Zabil Palace, and out front of the palace you'll see a Mercedes G-Wagon police car. Dubai has all different kinds of police cars. I even saw an Xterra police car. The last stop on our hop-on, hop-off bus tour was the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall. This animation shows a time-lapse of the Burj Khalifa being built. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world currently, and this is the view from near the top. At the top of this building you can just see for miles. That's the top of the Dubai Mall, and that's the Dubai Fountains. This is a large waterfall inside the Dubai Mall. One of the crazy things in Dubai is that everything's written in Arabic and English, so you can still read everything as you're going around. They literally have everything in the Dubai Mall. They have an ice skating rink, they have a virtual reality arcade, and they even have a massive aquarium. This was me just chilling with my friend Lego Darth Vader. And this is the Dubai Fountains. After the fountains went off, they did a light show on the Burj Khalifa. This is so crazy how they make it look like it's moving with just LED lights that are on that whole outside of the building.
That's so cool.
And we finished off the day with some amazing food. When we got up the next morning, we decided we were going to go look for some nice cars. Our first stop was at the Tesla dealership, and this is a Tesla chassis. I'd never seen one before. Brandon decided to try and fit in the back of a Tesla. After the Tesla dealer, we went and stopped at 2 high-end automotive dealers. So this is where people have sent their used cars to try and sell to other customers. So just sit back and enjoy looking at these expensive and beautiful cars.
Gotta be bumping.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed getting to see a little bit of Dubai and some of the awesome cars here. Click that like and subscribe button so you stay tuned in to new content, and this picture is hinting at my next video, so stay tuned. And see you next time on the main Miata.